an empty folder, a blinking cursor, and a vision. Most people see a finished game on Steam and only think about the end result. But they don't see the thousands of small steps, the bugs, and the breakthroughs that happen in between. Today, we are at the absolute starting point. From this very moment, I'm taking you along the entire journey of my game projects, from this empty folder to a fully finished published game. Welcome to the Pixel Monster Games DevDiaries. I'm Kai, and today we're laying the foundation for everything to come. To make sure we don't get lost along the way, we're talking about why a version control system is the key to mastering the chaos, and how a professional folder structure keeps your project from sinking into a creative mess. I've already crossed the finish line once with Professor Crackbrain. It was a wild ride, and it taught me that in game dev, organization is survival. Now I'm putting that to the test by tackling two major projects simultaneously: Homeostasis, a roguelite body management simulator, and Boon the Caveman, a prehistoric classic pixel art point-and-click adventure game. In this series, I'm taking you behind the scenes. No filters, real progress, real challenges. And it all starts with the one tool that acts as my digital insurance policy: GitHub. So let's dive right in. The most important tool in my kit isn't a graphics program or even the game engine, it's GitHub. Why? Because GitHub is your time machine. I use GitHub Desktop because it bridges the gap between complex technical commands and an intuitive workflow. If you ever make a change that breaks your entire game, and trust me, it will happen, GitHub brings you back to a working state with a single click. Learning Git takes a little bit of time, but it is the best investment you can make. I've linked some great deep dive tutorials in the description below. With GitHub, you can access your game and marketing materials on any device, anywhere. There's even an app for iOS and Android, and if you ever work in a team, there's simply no way around it. Think of it like this. The repository is your digital vault. The commit is your diary of changes. Push and pull is your sync with the cloud. Developing without version control is like playing Russian roulette with your hard work. We're doing it the right way. A cluttered workspace leads to a cluttered mind. In game dev, that goes double. It might not be the flashiest part of the process, but getting your folder structure right today is what saves you hundreds of hours of headaches tomorrow. Here is the structure I recommend for every professional project. The Artworks folder. This is the central hub for all visual assets, from concept sketches to final sprites. The Audio folder, where I manage sound effects, voiceover files, and the game soundtrack. The Game Design folder. This holds the brain of the project, including the GDD, Game Design Document, and puzzle dependency charts. The Game Source folder. This is the heart of the technical side. For me, this is where the entire Unity project lives. The Marketing folder. Essential for staying ahead. I keep my content calendar, trailers, and social media assets here. The Builds folder. A critical space to track every iteration and stable release of the game. Thanks to this system, even with deep, complex projects like Homeostasis, I know exactly where everything is, even if I've been away from the code for weeks. Organization is the foundation I'm building Pixel Monster Games on. In the next episode of DevDiaries, we're going deeper into game design. I'll show you how I use scene and puzzle dependency charts to design adventure games, ensuring players never get stuck in a logic loop. How do you stay organized? Let me know in the comments. If you want to follow the journey from an empty folder to a finished game, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you will get notified when a new Dev Diary is online. I'll see you in the next log. Stay creative.